Alright lads, welcome back to the 2BoneZ channel. This is my third run I'm recording today, and it is about my code with my PrismaBot Discord bot. If you don't know, you can link your account in my Discord server by running the command /link-geoguessr. I custom coded my bot to let you into these channels on screen when you link your account. So you get two channels, the daily challenge channel, and you also get the Suggestion Sunday channel. Suggestion Sunday is a system where you can run /Suggestion Sunday, put in your map URL, time limit, and your game mode of choice, and you will be able to compete for that top spot. And if you do get the top spot, no GeoGuessr playing involved, purely just if you do a good suggestion and people vote for it the most in that channel, your suggestion will win, and you get the daily challenge for Sunday. So your mode is, your mode is credited, your suggestion is credited as the Suggestion Sunday, and you are able to play that one on the Sunday. It's my way of basically giving viewer input into the schedule, because I'm not going to be changing the schedule all the time to keep everything fresh. It's up to the viewers to, put a map suggestion in if they have one. But yeah, that was the main system out of the way. I do have to say that for the past few days I've talked about this. I have been having a frustrating problem with my Discord bot, which I'm trying to sort of put into maintenance mode. This is the key thing. I don't want to be working on this version of the Prisma Discord bot, the Prisma bot, any longer. There's a reason for that. It is because I am splitting the bot in half. There's going to be an API half, and there is going to be a front-end half. That front-end half isn't technically going to be a half. It's going to be, a half, and then if I do two front ends, it's going to be 2/4, then it's going to become, I'm not bothered to do the math, but basically there's multiple front ends. That's the system. That's why I'm splitting it in half. It means that I can have code, the code that runs for a website, if I did one, doesn't have to interact with the code that I would run for a Discord bot. And yeah, I'm trying to get started on that. However, for the past few days I have had this annoying bug where whenever a daily challenge posts to the daily challenge channel, it shows the correct number, everything's fine and dandy on the front end. In the back end, luckily I checked the database table, and I saw that the daily challenge number did not update. It didn't save the right number, and I think I fixed it. I believe I actually did fix it. This is what I'm very happy about. I'm happy to announce that I believe I have actually fixed my code. I know. Absolutely crazy. I would like to thank my family for being able to not do anything to help me fix my code. No, but genuinely, it has been a nightmare. And what seems to have been the case is that it was in this half-completed state when it saved it to the database, and rather than taking the new number, it took the previous challenge number and put it in. I don't understand why, because the thing is, what I thought had happened was that every time it was posting the challenge, there was a glitch. And because the thing that I fixed, I fixed two things, so two things could have theoretically been the cause, but the thing I thought would have been the fix was that I made a change that stopped a bug from happening that would only ever happen if the challenge posting system only got halfway through. Basically, when it's doing the challenge posting process, if it gets interrupted, this should be the only way that it could post it. Like, it could save an incomplete version of the challenge to the database. But for some reason, I fixed that bug, and there's no other bugs that I've seen. Everything is working as normal. the challenge number went up today in the database automatically. I didn't have to change it this time. I've had to change it for about a week. It's just like, I really don't understand why on earth, like, that fixed the bug. I can't wrap my head around it, and it is very frustrating, because, you know, I'm trying to figure out, oh, what's the actual problem been with this? Also, what the hell is this, friend? Yeah, I tried to figure out what on earth the problem was with this, thing, and I couldn't fix it. Like, I couldn't figure it out. And then I put through 2 fixes. One of them's worked. I don't know which one worked. It's just a confusing bloody... Yeah, it's just a confusing whole problem that I'd have here. I mean, I'm sure that sounded like a little bit of a ramble towards the end there, but yeah, TLDR, it's fixed. I'm not sure why though. Because I really thought that the bug I fixed would only happen if there's actually something like a bug, another bug that is causing it to happen. Because it should only be a problem if that challenge doesn't get posted properly the first time. But I mean, this is the thing, you know? It posts it within the first minute. Basically, the way it works is if it doesn't work the first time, it tries again the next minute. And if it doesn't work in that next minute, it tries again for, I think, 10 minutes total. It tries every minute, but it's the challenge posted within the first minute. It didn't post at 5:01 AM. It posted at 5 AM on the dot. So, yeah. Like, coding a Discord bot is not as simple as you would really hope. It's honestly a very weird system, and that's why I'm hoping that this split, that hopefully I'm now able to work on, now there's no longer any bugs. Yeah, I'm hoping that this like fix does actually change things for the better and lets me work on my Discord bot like with the new version. First, what I'm gonna do, I'll talk a little bit about my plans. My first idea is to make it so that it's going to have an API. I'm going to do that first, and then I'm going to post the Discord then I'm going to start working on the Discord bot code, like the front end. But it's probably going to take a little bit longer. I mean, I obviously have all the ideas and all of the systems in place to do it, but it can't really be copy-paste. It needs to be a ground-up recode, so that hopefully the new system does work well. CB, welcome to the stream. Yeah, I mean, with that being said, I think that's going to be the end of the rant. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next one.